Amber's always busy. All right, that's where we're going. Both got the stir fry. Where are we going?
We're not going. We're already here at dinner. We're at our table. I came over here to love you sign just to say we're at dinner. We'll bring it to you.
We'll bring you that menu right about.
Yeah.
Terry, what'd you get?
French onion soup.
So you got French onion soup. Now you might think I'm a pig, and I am kind of, sorta. Stuffed mushrooms, French onion soup, and a French onion soup. I love their French onion soup. Carnival has the best French onion soup there is. Hey babe, what'd you get?
I got the spare ribs and French fries, corn, and coleslaw. Yum yummy. Yum yummy.
Yeah. Well, you keep the coleslaw. And I got linguine and clams. Thunder! Thank you, buddy. Here we are. It's about that time.
Right after dinner, we did the casino.
Thank you so much, everyone. We are China Trio and with
And it is early, and we're going to take an early night tonight.
Our music set for this evening, okay? Wait for us.
So good.
And
Don't spill that on me.
Why do we drink these? Because they're so good. All right, tomorrow, Amber Cove, Dominican Republic. Yeah, we're going there tomorrow. Today was a sea day, kind of a short video as you probably saw. Tomorrow, Amber Cove. We're gonna probably get off for a little while, walk around the port. We don't really have anything booked. We've kind of done it all. I was thinking about kayaking again.
I like kayaking.
And if she wants to go kayaking, we might go kayaking.
You never know.
It's kind of like kayaking, but
We'll get it done.
We'll get it done. Ow, she just punched me. Ow, she did it again. Oh boy, I got broken ribs. All right, so we'll see you tomorrow in Amber Cove. We're going to call it an early night tonight. Oh, and by the way, I didn't win in the casino today, but I also didn't lose.
I lost $20.
She lost it. She lost 20 bucks. All right.
Cheers.
All right, we're still way ahead. We're good.
So good.
All right, see you in the morning. Bye. Say bye.
Bye-bye. I said cheers. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye. Almost a full moon.